In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert custom CSS in Leadpages in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to adjust the visual appeal of your landing page or need precise control over its design elements, custom CSS is a powerful tool that can make your pages stand out. Let's walk through this process together step by step, ensuring you have a firm grasp of each action needed to customize your lead pages to your liking. To get started, open your preferred web browser and perform a search for Leadpages. When the search results appear, look for the official Leadpages website, which is typically denoted by the URL leadpages.com, and click on it. Once the site loads, head over to the login section, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login and proceed by entering your credentials, including your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register before you can proceed with these steps. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Landing Pages section from your dashboard. This area displays all the landing pages you have created. Choose the specific landing page you wish to customize by clicking on it, which will open up the Leadpages editor. The editor is a user-friendly interface designed to make page modifications straightforward and intuitive. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see various options related to the design and functionality of your page. Find the Styles tab and click on it. This tab is your gateway to altering the CSS and overall styling of your page. Within the Styles tab, you should see a section labeled Custom CSS. Spend a moment getting familiar with this area, as it's where all your custom styling will be inputted. Next, you'll need to toggle the Enable Custom CSS switch to the On position. This action activates the custom CSS capabilities on your page, allowing you to add your own code. Now, you're ready to enter your desired CSS code into the provided text area. One convenient feature of Leadpages is that it automatically wraps your CSS code in style tags, which means you don't have to add those tags yourself. Simply input the CSS code you want to apply to your page's design right into this section. After entering your custom CSS, it's crucial to preview or update your page to ensure that the changes take effect. Click on the Preview or the Update button to see how your alterations have impacted the look and style of your page. Most CSS changes are applied instantly, but occasionally, some styles might require a full page update to be visible. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to inserting custom CSS in Leadpages. With these steps, you can now tailor your landing page designs to better meet your branding needs or creative vision. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.